Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your existing account on the Spendee app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee Budget Planner app on your device, and this will take you into the login page where you can either sign up if you haven't already created an account, or you may log in using your social accounts or your email address and password. Just click on whichever method you used while signing up for your account. And if you choose login with email, you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Just enter your email address that you have used while signing up for your account and then enter your account password underneath. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Spendee application account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button and you will be provided the instructions to reset your credentials and create a new password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Spendee Budget Planner app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.